So this week I got a couple of deliveries at the garden. One box, 2 boxes, and in this video we're going to take a look at what came in those boxes. Okay, so here are the 2 boxes I got this week, and let's just take a look at them. They came from a large retailer that I won't mention. Of course, you're going to see the name of the plants right here on the boxes. I will say right up front that I'm not sponsored or didn't get any discount, and I'm not necessarily endorsing these products. These are just the plants that I purchased. I did purchase plants like this last year and had pretty good success with them, so I wasn't dissatisfied to purchase them again this year. They came fairly quickly once I ordered them, 2 or 3 days. I believe they came FedEx, and they arrived on my porch in the nice upright fashion that these arrows indicate they should be in. And if you check out the boxes, they're clearly marked here with fragile live plants, this end up. You know, they want you to indicate to somebody to keep it above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So the packaging on the outside, you know, it looks pretty well taken care of. And as far as I can remember, last year that was the case too. The boxes came, no problem. Now, let's take a look inside the boxes. We'll start with the small one. All right, inside this small one, what have we got here? Packing slip and two banana pepper plants. That one fell over. These nice plastic kind of protective cases aren't very stable. I remember that from last year. I got them out and they also fell over. See, there's a little bit of tips for success from the garden. And if you crack these open, you've got a pretty healthy looking banana pepper plant. Sweet banana. Pass those off to the side. And another one, and there's a little bit of dirt in here. I'm just gonna shake that right in the garden behind me. Same with this one. This plastic says on here, made from 100% recycled PET. Please recycle again. And I'll try to do that if my community takes that kind of plastic. That's it. Box is empty, a little bit of dirt. That's gonna go in the garden also. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set the banana peppers over here, and let's see what's in the big box. Okay, in the big box. Nicely sealed. Got the same informational flyer from the garden center who grew them. Another packing slip. And inside this one, we have 4 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, that's it for what's in the box. Okay, so these also are a little unstable. So I'm gonna gently try to take these out. And we've got a nice little early girl tomato plant. Another tomato, what variety? We've got a Better Boy. We've got another early girl. And a Better Boy. So, again, same recyclable plastic that I'll try to do something with if my community takes it. So I've got these nice tomato plants. If you watched my last video, what you saw was a tomato fail where I wasn't able to get my seedlings going this year. So this was plan B, and actually this worked well. Last year I ordered the plants and I had a pretty good successful tomato year, and I'm hoping I'll have the same thing. Last year I ordered the Better Boy and a Sun Sugar little cherry tomato. I'm hoping, I think I ordered one of those that might be coming in the mail a little bit later. So this was the first round. If you ever wondered what it's like to get plants in the mail, there you have it. Okay, just another point about buying plants online. So, you know, these are pretty nice plants. They're fairly representative of what the ad looked like online. Last year that was not the case. They had these huge, nice, great big luscious tomato plants, and then things smaller than this came. I think this is about as big as I got last year. So, but these this year, they were a little bit more representative. If you're curious about, you know, growing from seed versus, you know, buying plants, I've been growing things from seed last year and this year because of the pandemic. I didn't really want to go out to the home centers, but this is a Serrano pepper plant that I grew from seed this year. I started in early January. I've really been babying them and put them under grow lights and such. And then, you know, here we have the banana pepper plant. You know, this, boom, 3 days, this came in the mail, nice and ready to go. This one is one I've been babying for a while. I actually think this is a pretty healthy, nice plant. I'm proud of myself here, but you get going a lot faster if you purchase plants rather than grow them from seed. So there we have it. That's a little bit of info about buying garden plants online.